Look, y'all, look. Look, you wipe it off and nothing happens. Like, this is the life that I'm living at this point. Like, this is the life that I guess I'm gonna have to live. Yeah. Look.
You see the emotion there on Tessica Brown's face. Remember, she did go viral earlier this year for spraying Gorilla Glue in her hair after she ran out of hairspray.
Well, since the incident, she underwent surgery to have the glue removed, and after a very painful public ordeal, she is on the mend.
But we figured it was time to maybe help her out a little bit in her hair journey. So we called on our friend, celeb wig stylist Kiyah Wright to help surprise her with an Access Daily delivery. Take a look at this.
So listen, I am the wig guru, Kiyah Wright, celebrity stylist, all the way from California. I got a surprise for you. Go to your door right now. Right now. Take me with you. Go to the door, and I got a surprise for you. Get ready. We got a whole collection for you, ready to choose from. So we got 4 different choices here, right? I tried to give you a variety in case you wanted to stay in the dark hair world. We got a long, dark, middle part, bone straight, super cool and sexy. I don't know how you're feeling. You can always get your stylist to cut it. Then we got a platinum blonde, just in case you're real sexy. Real sexy. What you think about blonde? You like blonde?
Yeah, they have a lot of fun.
All right, girls. So we got a nice little selection for you. Let's take these wiggies in the house, set them up so we can try them all on. I'm so glad you're excited.
I am.
Wow. Well, joining us now is one of our favorites, wig stylist, an incredible person, Kiyah Wright.
Hi, Kiyah.
Hey, guys.
What did you think when you first saw her story?
Even just seeing the video again, I'm just sitting here like, whoa, it was heartfelt. Like, I felt her pain. Like, she was like,
Similar.
but stuck to your head, like, I would have just been like, oh my God, what do I do? I'm stuck in this look forever.
And what we saw, right, that was weeks after trying, you know, at-home remedies to fix the situation.
Yes.
So what did you think was going to be the best option for her? Because she did have to cut her hair. She did cut her hair before the procedure to remove the glue.
Yes.
What were you thinking? I mean, a whole bunch of options.
I just knew she was not going to compromise her sexy. I knew it. I was like, she's not going to compromise her sexy. She still wants to be cute. She's that girl. She got the lashes, the nails, the boom. I already knew. You know what I mean? I just wanted to change her over a bit and just change the whole narrative from the Gorilla Glue girl to just a new makeover. That's what I want to do, just change her hair and change her whole life.
Well, you did it. Kiyah did a wig consultation with Tessica over Zoom. Let's see how that went.
All right, Tessica, so you got all the wigs in. I see they look so cute in the background. So tell me, let's do a little fitting. Yes, how you feeling?
Fancy.
You feeling fancy?
Yeah.
It looks good on you, though.
Yeah, I like it. When I first looked at it, I'm sitting there like, you know, I don't do a middle part. But yeah, once you put it to the side.
Yeah, you just kick her a little bit.
Right.
Okay, she a little Barbie, though.
Yeah.
She a little Mary J. Blige. What you think?
Yeah.
She's not horrible, but I don't know if that's the look. What you think? What you feeling like?
I don't know. I mean, I kind of could.
Yeah. If she was cut into a cute little bob, you might could rock it.
Right. Especially now that you're telling me I could throw out the little baby.
Yeah,
I
use
thought this
your
went
hair.
all these years.
No way.
Okay.
Yeah, these are for the hairline. These are great for if you're working out, but you still want to be cute. You want to throw your little hair hat on and keep it moving after the
Yeah.
Wet and wavy, going to the beach, the islands. These are awesome. And you can color them too. So that's great too.
Yeah,
I actually am not, you worked it out. Give me the picture. That's cute.
She looked good in all of them.
She actually did. She did.
Can we just talk about our friend real quick? You do not play.
She don't play with the wig.
You do not play.
She does not play. Change your hair, change your life.
The time is here, people, to reveal how Tessica looks. But Kiyah, are you ready for this?
Look, I'm ready. I'm so ready. I know
sweating.
she's ready. You're sweating.
Time for the big reveal, Tessica!
She cute.
I know, come on with a final judge. She said, look, mama look cute, mama look good.
I love it, and she's smiling.
Tessica, we were so excited about this, and Kiyah worked so hard on getting the perfect wig. Why did you choose this one?
The color, the length, I mean, it's pretty much everything about it. Everything about it.
You can't keep your hands out of it.
And twirling.
Yeah, it's everything. The wig is everything. It makes me, you know what I'm saying? It's
She's lost the words.
everything.
Aw. Tessica, I feel like we were all with you watching that old video that happened with the Gorilla Glue. What's it like for you to relive that or to see that again?
Like I said in the video, it was a big mistake. A big, big mistake. And sometimes I regret even posting it.
Really?
Why is that?
But like for times like this, I'm glad I did. But for the other, like the comments and everything, I wish I wouldn't have posted it.
Do you remember what it was like to run your hands through your hair for the first time after that ordeal?
Christmas morning.
Wow.
Christmas morning. And a lot of people don't understand, like, I couldn't feel my scalp for a whole month. And for me to be able to get in my, it's like words, I don't think words can explain. It's like Christmas morning when your mama got an income tax early.
Oh, God.
Now listen, this experience must have been, you talk about it was tough, right? The healing process, I'm sure you were still kind of going through. You also did, though, you did face some criticism, and I wonder what you might be doing, how you might be going about helping some other people now, you know, through the lessons that you've learned in this situation.
Well, you know what? A lot of people come up to me and tell me their stories. Like, I was in a nail shop one day, and a girl came up to me and she was like, "You're Tessica, right?" And I'm like, "Yeah." She hugged me so tight, and I thought she was, you know, felt sorry for me. But she was saying that, you know, I'm pretty much her hero because she ran out of hair glue one time, and she used super glue to put her hair in. And she was scared to tell anybody about it. So she took and peeled everything off it. And she showed me she had blisters that was still in her hair.
What does it feel like? You're kind of on the other side of that now, to run your hands through, you know what I mean, through a beautiful, it look like floor-length locks you got going on right now, you know. What's that, 72 inches? What's that, 72? Kiyah, what's that, 72?
Look, I'm just happy. Look, exactly. Look. When they do this, this is when you know that they're happy. I'm just loving, I just love the fact that you're so far from the video and the picture with a whole new look.
Yeah.
I just, you know, hey, you know, this is a Muse hair piece right here. And one of the things that I'd love, first of all, I just played off your eyes. You know what I mean? Your eye color. I knew that you wanted some color. You were darker haired. And I just wanted to just soften it up, give you some length. And, you know, I know you got some happiness happening over there. So I just wanted to just give you some length to just feel and look your best. And it's glueless. That's another great thing. We need to keep everything off that scalp.
Talk about that, Kiyah, to Tessica and everything, about the glueless.
Yeah, my whole approach to lace front wigs is not like most girls. I love the baby hairs, but I just don't think that they're for every woman. Every woman just doesn't want baby hairs. So this was a great alternative. All my pieces are like HD lace, which means it's see-through. You can just, they blend right into the face. You can adhesive them down with some gel. Clear gel, and something that's breathable. That's the whole key. The skin really needs to breathe, and right now with her skin being so sensitive, I think this was the perfect solution.
Beautiful.
Right?
So do you think that you...
Tessica, what's next for you? What's going on with you?
Well, I'm having a baby.
What? Tessica? You look extra beautiful.
You do.
Congratulations.
You do.
Yeah, I'm having a baby. And the thing is, I've been trying for like 6 years.
Well, a special delivery.
Okay.
Special delivery. Listen, Tessica,
But
congratulations.
I'm not gonna lie, I'm excited. I'm excited.
Good.
Good,
We're
Tessica.
excited for you.
We
Congratulations.
want all good things for you,
Yes.
Tessica, and a big thanks to Kiyah
Yes,
for
yes,
helping
yes.
out. We hope this makes you feel
Thank
good.
you
You
so
look
much.
beautiful.
You look beautiful.
She got a win wavy, y'all. I ain't mad. Kiyah, you have done
Kiyah, great
again.
job.
For more information and maybe your own amazing transformation, head over to Muse Hair, the website. You got all the wigs, the tips right from Kiyah.